Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and today I'm going to ask you to please, pretty please, with sugar on top and a cherry, like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. This week is an exciting week. Today, I am going to be going to dive into a new palette, and it's called Tie Dye by Hank and Henry, and it is a beautiful rainbow palette, and it's all matte. And let's see what kind of look I can get into. Would you like to see some swatches? Then let's have some swatches. Cheat, you can see it here. It's not magic, I already had it swatched, but there's 20 colors here, and they're pretty pigmented. So sorry my magic trick didn't work this time, but it's beautiful colors and pretty good saturation of colors. They feel kind of dry to the touch, but that doesn't mean anything once it comes to putting them on with a brush. So that is a huge difference there, because finger swatches sometimes don't mean anything. But this is such a beautiful palette. I really feel like I should do some kind of monochromatic look. I've been really into pinks lately, so maybe I'll do something with all these pinks here. That would be really pretty. I don't know. Let's just dive in, see what we can get started. I am going to start with this Kai color, this really pretty pink. No matter what looks it's going to start with pink. And that looks like it's just going to be a good transition color. That's super pretty. Ruby's outside the door. I don't know if you can hear her meowing and scratching at the door to come in. But sometimes it's just nice to be alone with you guys and leave the cats outside so they don't distract me. And that looks really pretty. Very cool indeed. You hear that, cat? Meow, meow. I'm so sad my mama won't let me in the room. Meow. I'm making fun of my cat just because she wants to be with her mommy, because she loves me. That's terrible. All right, so maybe I'll do kind of a rainbow look. I'm gonna go in with this yellow. I just feel cheeky. That yellow is very pretty, very fun. And maybe I'll go into Party. I think I'm going to go into Party. Kind of a turquoise. Oh, it's so soft. These colors feel dry. Oh, it's kind of like a cool little 80s. Oh, maybe this is just going to be a sweet little 80s moment. It's like the softer side of a rainbow palette. Ooh, I like it. Oh, man. I'm really loving this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Very cool. I think I'm going to go back into Kai with the fluffy brush. Just blend that up a little higher. Oh, I love it. That is it. That is my look. It is a very 80s look. And I'm going to do my black eyeliner like I like to do with the Stila Slay All Day. Very 80s. That looks super 80s. Oh, I love it. Super cute. And then I'm going to use the Lash Princess mascara. Oh, the mascara looks so great. I've got a tiny little bit of mascara transfer on my lid. Just cover that up with a little more pink. This is such a sweet, pure look. It's so cute and 80s. Oh, I'm loving it so much. And so for my lips, I'm going to do a little pink moment with Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in number 125, which is Inspire. And it's going to be a great pink to go with this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Muy bella, very bellissimo. I am loving this really sweet pastel look from the tie-dye palette from Hank and Henry. I feel super cute and bright and clean. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. This is awesome.